Hi everyone, it's Alicia here from aliciadejong.com. Now, if you've got a Facebook group, you can now actually send out an embed invite to your email list to get people to come and join over to your group. So I have this particular group, Facebook ads for affiliate marketers and network marketers. And you'll see over here we can add members and you can actually embed invite. So when I click that, ask people to choose your group by embedding a visual invite into your emails. So basically all you need to do is you need to copy and paste this snippet of code, and it will paste it where you'd like it to appear in your email. People who receive your email will see a visual invite when it's posted in. So it's going to be an image, okay? So that's a great way to visually get people from your email list over to your group and to help you build your group. I've noticed I have it in this group and I also have it over in another group that I have. So it must be starting to really get rolled out now. Okay, so embed invite, it's all the same. So yeah, go and check it out. Go and invite your email list over to come and join your Facebook group and build up your community.